Hello. Welcome to a bit of a video of my Hoover. Now this is like a type of video that I made in 2022, and I just want to give you just a little quick filler video from how to do surface mode. So it's simple. This only works on the one-touch models of the Dynamic Next range. So turn it to the second dial on the right. This is baby 60. And then after that, press the temperature button. It will say something like this, but that's perfectly fine. Just press start. I don't think something's right on this. I guess that's okay. I had the hose fixed on that, by the way, so I don't really think it sounds very. So I don't know if it's like flooding or not. There's no water, so no, it's really fine. So we need to do this. It'll do along. It only takes like 2 minutes anyway. So it's just it tastes like the filling and all, and it just if there's something wrong with it. And now I don't know what will happen if there is something wrong with it once it finishes. But I think this is just like a little finish just used by engineers. It will taste fast and slow rotations here. Now obviously my machine doesn't really sound very good anyway, so sorry for the noise. That's the wise thing to do in a minute, by the way. And then after that, because it's done, it will then start to flash all these lights. It's simple. You can't really do anything about it now because it just says it everywhere. You can even start it, and it still won't do anything. Yeah. So I'll just turn it off. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And this may be a bit of a useless video, but it's something good to try. Something I want to say though, I know that some of you probably have the common sense to already know this. This is not to me, it's not to me to run after. Don't travel close.